All right, we're gonna do We Three Kings. And I'm looking at this book here. So we will follow the melody in there. And I can't guarantee that my fingering will be very good, but you can try to follow mine if you want. But this is just to kind of give you a little rough idea going through the melody and the chords. All right, so let's find C minor and G up here. So 1, 2, 3. And then B flat, C minor, back up to G here, C minor again, B flat, C minor. Let's go up to E flat major here and E flat up here, B flat, E flat, and again, B flat, again, and C minor, B flat, and E flat up here, C minor, E flat, again E flat, C minor, E flat, E flat again, B flat, and now A flat. So here's B flat, A flat, B flat, E flat, C minor, E flat. All right, so we can play this through a bunch of times, and let's see if we can work on that. Let me know how you do with that.